Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I want to say Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you had a great and wonderful New Year's Eve and you celebrated with friends and family and you were safe. Okay, now I'm looking forward to a prosperous 2018 and working with you guys and helping you with whatever your goals may be. Now today it's going to be a short video. And I'm addressing this to my Easy Profit 100 teammates. I want to show you how to set up your Easy Profit 100 funnel, guys, okay? Because if you're going to market this business, guys, you want to have a marketing system. Yes, you're going to just be mailing postcards. That's great. But you want to track your marketing efforts. You want to know that, hey, I'm mailing these cards. I don't know if anybody's looking at my website. I don't know how to reach out to anyone who's actually looking at my website. So what I'm going to do is show you two different marketing systems, and you can decide which one is going to work for you. You just make a decision. Now, first, I want to tell you, if you hadn't seen this before, Easy Profit 100 is a direct mail program created by Art Rayburn. It's 7 years old as of this month. I've been a part of the program to be 3 years next month in February, okay? So it's a great program. I've been working it part-time mostly, but I continue to promote it, okay? Because it's solid and it's easy. It's something everyone can do. It's just mail postcards, okay? And they're 100% commissions, okay? It's $149. It's $149 one time, no monthly fees. You're going to have a website. You're going to be able to go in your back office and track your sales. You're going to see who joined you. You're going to receive an email every time someone signs up. It's just a great little program with a small price point to get started, okay? But you can make some good money with this program because it's $100 commissions that you're going to receive over and over, okay? So you're going to also receive in your welcome kit 120 leads to get you started. These are names and addresses of people that have actually raised their hand and said they're interested in finding out more information about a home-based business. So the company is going to send you 120 leads with your welcome kit and a flyer, okay? You're going to also receive a flyer with your user ID on as well. So if you want to do flyers, you can do that as well. Or you can do postcards, or you can do both. It's up to you. Okay? And this program is only in the U.S. Okay? It's not international. So with that being said, anyway, guys, you can take a look at this website, watch the video at your leisure. But I wanted to show you how to set your funnel up real quick. Okay? So I am using the Conversion Pros. You guys have probably seen that. Check this out. This is one of my capture pages that I use. Okay? So when someone receives my postcard, or if I'm marketing online, I give them my website, my domain name, and they go here and they put in their information. It's going to add them to my list, my subscriber list. And my list, my emails are going to be sent on my behalf automatically, okay, to continuously follow up with them about the program. Okay, and that's what you want, so that way you can track, you know, your prospects, your sign-ups, and things of that nature. So this program, the Conversion Pros, is $50 a month. You get a week free trial, full access to everything, so you can test drive it, see if it's a system that you want to, you know, you want to get involved with. So you get access to that. Okay, but not only that, it's an income stream as well. Because every time you refer somebody in the Conversion Pros, you get paid $25 or Friday. And then they also pay you on the back end every month $25 for everyone that continues to be a member. Every time someone pays their membership, you receive $25, okay? So, this is what I use for all my businesses, the Conversion Pros. Because I like to create my pages, I like to stand out, I like to look different than the next person, okay? As well as I get unlimited capture pages, unlimited autoresponders. You can buy leads in this system. It's just a plethora of features and tools. Okay, so this is what I use. But an alternative for someone that says, hey, well, you know what, I really can't afford $50 right now. What else can I do? Okay, lead lightning is what you want to use. It's only $7. Okay, one time right here, $7, and you're gonna make $6 every time someone buys this system. Now, if back office, and you're gonna click on Programs List. Okay, if you're already in Easy Profit 100, you click on Programs List. You get my username, daily income, my link here. Go ahead and join Lead Lightning for $7. Okay, now once you do that, this is what your page will look like. Okay, I'm going to show you. This is the Lead Lightning page. As you can see right here, they have to enter their email. When they enter their email, of course, yes, it's going to take them to the Lead Lightning presentation right here. Okay, because this is your front end product. Okay, you're going to market Lead Lightning on the front end. They're going to purchase it. It's only $7. And then on the back end, it's going to promote Easy Profit 100. Now let me show you how that looks. So you go there, right, and you're in. Now you log into Lead Lightning. Okay, now right here you're going to see, okay, let me show you. Join the Facebook group. And then as you can see here, referral link A is going to promote Lead Lightning. If you want to just do Lead Lightning, right here, this is the link you're going to give out. Just say in general, you want to tell somebody, hey, here's a program you can check out. You can give them your Lead Lightning link. Now, this is what I like. I do this one, promote Lead Lightning and your primary business in link B. So you're just going to log into Lead Lightning, and you're going to put that link there. Now, as you can see, I'm promoting Pure Profit Pro here because I already have over here my funnel set up with the Conversion Pros, but I just want to show you guys how you're going to do it if you're going to use Lead Lightning. So, for me, I'm using Pure Profit Pro as my primary business over here. Okay, so I actually can create, which I've already done. I click here. I just want to show you how it's going to look. I'm going to click here because I want to promote both businesses. So for you, you'll put your Easy Profit 100 link right here. So if you click here, you're in your Lead Lightning back office, and it's going to show you, yours is going to say Lead Lightning. I'm in Power Lead System as well. I've upgraded to the gold level. But yours is going to say Lead Lightning. But if you click here, see, this is my full link for Lead Lightning and Pure Profit Pro. So if I click that, it's the same page you would see. See, it doesn't look different. See, it looks like the same one you have. But what it's going to do is send emails on my behalf for Lead Lightning, and it's going to send emails for my link for Pure Profit Pro, okay, at the same time. So that's pretty neat. So you're going to go in your Lead Lightning back office, and you're going to put your Easy Profit 100 link right here, guys. Just log in, join the Facebook group here first. This is already there. Your referral A is already in there. But referral B, if you want to promote what you want to, your Easy Profit link, put it right there. And hit update, and you're going to click test. You're going to check it out, and just to make sure it's working properly. But if you click this one, it's going to give you one link that's going to promote both products, Lead Lightning and your primary. And that's the one actually is what you're going to give out. You're going to port your domain to this one. Okay, so when someone, once you start promoting, let's say you mail out a postcard and you put your domain on it. When someone gets the postcard and they go to your website, it's going to look like this. Okay, but it's actually promoting Easy Profit on the back end. Okay, so this is the system you want to get. If you can't afford to join the Conversion Pros, I recommend you get Lead Lightning. Okay, so log into your Easy Profit 100 back office. Okay, log in, go to Programs List, get my username. Here's my link. Go there, join this for $7. Okay. Then you'll put your username back here in your back office. So when someone joins you in Easy Profit 100, your link will be in there. Okay. So then you'll go over to Lead Lightning. Log into your Lead Lightning. And you'll put right here your Easy Profit 100 link. Click Update. And click here. And this is the link. Whatever it is you're going to use. 1 second. You click here. This is going to give you the link that you're going to use to promote Lead Lightning and in your primary, which is Easy Profit. So you're going to end up making $6 and you're going to make your $100. So you're going to make $106 a sale, guys. So this is the system. This is the system you want to use if you can't afford the Conversion Pro. So you want to set you up a marketing system. Okay. A funnel. That's what this is. So set your funnel up. Get started with that for $7, and you'll be all set. And then you start marketing your Easy Profit 100 business. But you definitely want a funnel. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. But there is a video in here that tells you how to do it. Follow the video and get that set up. That's it. A and B. A is already there. Just put B in there, and you're good to go. Click Update. Use this link here to promote, and you're all set. Okay? Alright, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Like, subscribe, and share. I look forward to you joining my Easy Profit 100 business. Okay? Let's win together. 2018, a prosperous year. The best year ever. And if there's anything that I can do for you, any questions I can answer for you, I'm here. I do this full time. I'm accessible. You can email me, you can text me, whatnot. And I'm here to help. Alright, guys, enjoy your day. Again, Happy New Year. Happy New Year 2018. Let's just take this thing by storm and make this happen. But you've got to take action. That is the first step. You've got to take action. You can't sit back any longer and just watch. You got to take action. Okay? But just know I'm here to help. I'm going to put the link below for Easy Profit 100. I'm going to put the link below for Lead Lightning, and I'm going to put the link below for the Conversion Pros. And if you have any questions about either program after you watch the videos, feel free to give me a call. Okay? Thanks for checking this out, guys. Like, subscribe, and share. And make sure you click that little bell on the YouTube channel so you can make sure you get all my notifications. Get notifications when I do a new video. Alright? Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a blessed day.